Mobile apps are taking over. Did you know that people now spend more than 90% of their mobile time using apps? Last year alone saw an incredible 130 billion mobile apps downloaded. That's a 10% increase year on year. And do you know what? The trend will continue to rise. The prediction for the mobile app market is that it will reach a staggering $808 billion fortune in the next 12 months. $808 billion! With demand so high and such a gigantic opportunity to make money, the time for getting into the mobile app market is now. But what if you don't have the expertise or know-how required? What if you have zero coding skills and no app building experience? Don't worry. Build mobile apps from your website in under 2 minutes. No coding skills or app building experience is needed. The easy-to-use platform gives you everything you need to create dazzling mobile apps. With a drag-and-drop editor and with over 30 built-in templates for any niche or market, you can choose the right design for you and tweak it until it's perfect. Want to build apps to sell to your clients? You'll receive a commercial license that lets you do just that. You can turn any website into a fully fledged mobile app in under 2 minutes. The best part? You can do it using only your laptop, so you can work from anywhere in the world. With SSL encryption to keep your app secure and SEO optimization to make sure that you get to the top of your search results, everything you need to claim your share of the $808 billion fortune. Claim your instant access now and get started today. You could be one mobile app away from transforming your life. And for a limited time, remember, you are covered with a money-back guarantee, so it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. We're offering you an incredibly low one-time fee that gives you lifetime access, so you can build app after app and make fortune after fortune. What are you waiting for? Grab your lifetime access while you still can.